Hello everyone, welcome back to WIMB 84. Hope everyone is doing great on today. So I do have another new bag from Coach Outlet. So this is the Rowan Satchel and the color block with the bigger C's on here. And I also just did a video with the new mega tote with the larger C's on there too. So if you all would like to check that video out, make sure you click on that video and watch that one as well. But this is the new Rowan Satchel, and I had to get this bag, you all. I just had to get this bag because Coach is bringing out so many new types of bags. So I had to get this one. So this is my 6th Rowan Satchel. So with this bag right here, it don't have the protective feet on the bottom, but I will bring you all the other bags so we can talk about the new bag. Okay, let me slide that one. So this is the older Rowan Satchel. So with this bag, you do have the protective feet on the bottom, and it's more stable. And you do have the color block, you have the lighter color, and you have the khaki color. Okay, and you also have the gold hardware on here. So let me remove this one. So with this one right here have a softer leather, and you have the larger C's, and you do have the gold hardware on here. So on the side of the bag, you have the smaller C's. This is the back of the bag. You do have a back zipper pocket with the larger C's on here. And this the other side with the same smaller C's. And this the bottom of the bag. So this bag right here do not have the protective feet, and I'm all right with it. So I love the way this Rowan Satchel right here feels. It feels soft. It has that soft leather. And you have your 2 handles with that signature print also. Hope you all can see that real good. And this is the top of the bag. So you do have the zipper top closure, and you have that signature print also around the zipper closure. You have that signature print. So I just placed a parabol on here, and I placed my butterfly charm, and you know that you have the Coach tag on here. So let me open her up in the inside so you all can see how I have her in the inside. So on the inside, you do have that brown material on the inside. So the first thing I have is this, my eyeglass case. So in the inside of here, I have all of my lip gloss in the inside of here. So I have the Ruby Kissy in the 24 Rose Golds. I have some LA color in the iridescent lip gloss. I have some more lip gloss. And I have the Maybelline, the Lifter Gloss also. So that is everything that I had in this pouch. So I will just put everything back in the inside. And I like this little case right here. So you can use this case right here for anything. Okay, so the next thing I have is my pencil case. So in the inside of here, I have my pen, I have my brush spray, I have my eyebrow comb and brush, and I have a nail file. So that is everything that I had in the pencil case. Okay, so the next thing I have this wristlet that I purchased with this bag. I thought it went great with this bag with the color. And you do have the Coach stamp right there in the gold. So in the inside of here, I'm just using this for my bathroom pouch. I just have my usual that I have in the inside of my bathroom pouch. And you can use this for a card case because you have the your two card slots right here. And that is all that you have on this wristlet. So the next thing I have is this pouch right here. So in the inside of here, I'm using this for, I have my hand sanitizer, individual wet ones in the inside of here. So I have my safe spray. I have my concealer. And I have my first aid portable pack. I have my emergency hair kit. So let me show you all what's in the inside of the emergency hair kit for the new subscribers. So you have bobby pins, you have a nail file, and I just put 2 safety pins in here. And you have 2 hair ties, and you have a comb. Okay, so I just have right here, I have some hand sanitizer in the Pour Red Single. I have some lens wipe. I have some alcohol wipes. And I have some Tide to Go and some shout wipes and another Tide to Go. So that is everything that I had in this little pouch. So I will put everything back in the inside. Okay. So the next thing I have is my manicure set. This is a beautiful little manicure set. And that how that look in the inside. So I do have some more hand sanitizer. I have it right here in my pocket back hand sanitizer holder and the little reindeer. So the next thing I have is this wallet that I purchased with the handbag. So you do have the Coach in the gold hardware, and you have the Lotto signature. So this is how the wallet look in the inside. So you have your credit card slots right here. You have credit card slots right there. And you have a window right here where you can put your driving license. And you also have a slot right here. And you have a slot right here. And you have a zipper pocket right here. And I just have my coins in the inside of here. And you have a back slot right here. So right here is just the tag to the wallet. So this the tag. Okay, and right here is where you keep your cash, your receipt, whatever you want to put right back here. Okay. Okay, let's see what's next. So I have my compact mirror. So the next thing I have is this Buddha pouch right here. And in the inside of here, I just have everything that I need, just my usual stuff that I have every time. So I do change my stuff out though. So right here I have my Bath and Body Works spray, the Jolly Gingerbread Village. I have the gingerbread cookie hand cream. I have the Gold Bond hand cream. Love the way this smells. I have my eye cream, Tide to Go, critical oil. I have some Advil liquid gel. I have some deodorant, some more hand sanitizer, my critical cutter, and I have my Lysol to Go spray, and I have my Clorox wipes, and I have some razors, and I have some more antibiotic hand wipes for your hands and face. So that is everything that I had in this birdie bag. So this is how the inside of the bag look. You do have that brown interior in the inside. So you have a front slot pocket, and you do have the back zipper pocket, and you have the Coach cream right there. So in the back zipper pocket, I have some Kleenex. I have my Shrink cleaner wipe. And I have some more lens wipe, and I have the little Coach book that always come with the bag. So that is everything that I had in the inside of my bag. So I will put everything together so you all can see everything that I had in the inside of my bag. So this is everything that I had in the inside of my bag. So if you all like this video on today, hit that like, hit that share. Make sure you subscribe to Woman Habit 84, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you all can know every time I upload a video.